English question, please.
Hi, Mark. So,
Hi.
Mark, ito madali lang to Really easy, really a question. What is your favorite subject in school?
Reading.
Why reading?
Because I love to read.
Wow, very good.
Hi, Francine. Who taught you how to sing and dance?
My mother and my teacher.
What is your favorite subject in school?
Writing.
Very good.
Hello, Mian. Kagwapa gid sa imo.
Thank you.
Do you want to be an artista? Do you want to be an actress?
Yes. Because I like Mara and Clara.
Okay, congratulations ang cute-cute mo.
Sasabihin ko lang, ang galing mo kanina sa mga kembot-kembot. Okay yan. Ito, question. Anong paborito mong pagkain?
Ice cream po.
Sige, mamaya bili ka na ice cream pagkatapos, ha?
Kian, you are so cool.
Yes.
Which is your favorite place in SM? Where do you go to the most?
Max Rider.